Hi, my name is Phil. I'm a glass tree frog and I live in the Amazon rainforest above the water. I'm tiny, only 1 to 3 inches in length. We tree frogs help the rainforest because we help maintain a balance in the insect population by eating them. I'd like to tell you about where I live, the rainforest. Rainforests are Earth's oldest living ecosystem. They cover only 6% of Earth's land surface. It used to be 14%. Rainforests are important because they contain more than one-half of the world's plant and animal species. A rainforest is a tall, dense, hot, humid jungle that gets a lot of rain. Rainforests are located in Africa, Central America, South Asia, Oceania, and Asia. The rainforest consists of 4 layers. The top layer is the emergent layer. It's the uppermost part of the rainforest. It gets the most sun. The leaves up here are usually waxy to protect them from sun and wind. Animals that live in the emergent layer include harpy eagles, butterflies, and other birds and insects. Go down some and you'll have the canopy. The canopy can go as high as 100 feet. It protects the forest floor from rain and sun. The leaves in the area are often pointed so that the rain can run off them and so they won't get moldy. Some of the animals that live there are the sloth, the howler monkey, and the toucan. The next layer down is the understory. The canopy blocks a lot of the sunlight, so plants and trees in the understory often have really big leaves to take in as much sunlight as they can. The prayer plant, the zebra plant, and the peace lily are some examples of plants here. Many of the creatures that live in the understory use camouflage. For example, cats like the margay have spots that blend in the shadows, but we also have really brightly colored creatures like the poison dart frog. His colors tell others to stay away. The bottom layer is the forest floor. The plants that grow here don't need a lot of sunlight. Big lily pads grow here. The rainforest soil gets its nutrients to feed the plants and trees from rotting plants and animals. There are a lot of decomposers on the forest floor like millipedes, giant-sized earthworms, beetles, and termites. Other creatures that live on the forest floor include turtles, jaguars, anteaters, anacondas, and scorpions. People live in the rainforest too. Many have had ancestors here for hundreds, even thousands of years, while others are new to the forest. One of the better-known native groups is the Yanomami of the Amazon. They get food by hunting and gathering, fishing, and by growing some things. Their numbers are decreasing because their forests are being destroyed. Farmers work in the forest too. There are some farmers who live on small plots and grow food for themselves, but there are also big commercial farmers who need to cut or burn down lots of trees to make room for their crops. This is called deforestation. They grow things like coffee, bananas, and cotton, and then they sell it for money. Big ranchers need lots of land for pastures, and they cut down huge areas of rainforest trees for their animals. Loggers cut down trees for lumber. Also, many areas of the forest are destroyed, so miners can extract aluminum, gold, iron, and other minerals from beneath the surface. Humans like you use lumber for furniture, homes, paper, and lots of other things. You use gold for jewelry and sometimes even in your teeth. You use aluminum in packaging, building, and homes. Same with iron. One of the most important things that humans like you use that come from the rainforest is medicine. 25% of Western medicines are made from rainforest plants ingredients, and only 1% of the trees and plants have been tested so far. One of the biggest benefits of the rainforest for humans is air. Described as the lungs of Earth, rainforests recycle carbon dioxide into oxygen. 40% of our oxygen comes from the rainforest. There is a lot of deforestation going on. Every second the planet loses rainforest equal to 2 football fields. In a year, the planet loses an area twice the size of Florida. If humans keep this rate up, rainforests will be half the size in just about 10 years, and they will be gone totally in 2025. I live in the rainforest. It's my home and it's where my family lives. So I bet you can figure out that I'm having a hard time watching humans burn and cut down my home. I hope I explained in my PSA how rainforests are so important to humans. You need to breathe and you want to get better with medicines, don't you? Half of all species in the world live in tiny rainforests that's left. Families who have lived in the rainforest for hundreds of years are being kicked out of their homes. What can you do to help? People like you can pressure companies not to make products that hurt the rainforest. You can also recycle. You can also insist that your country joins other countries in providing incentives to countries protect their rainforests. Please help save me, my children, and my rainforest, and do it for the human race as well.